Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. We're just going to give you a quick update regarding the driving lessons and driving tests, and just to clarify any news DVSA has sent over. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with FM Driving School. You can always check out fmdrivingschool.co.uk, our site out, for more information regarding theory and driving updates. But right now on DVSA's website, the official driving school agency, and we're also on the Twitter site as well, which we'll go through in a bit. I'm assuming it's all the same info, but let's just see what they're saying here in England. Firstly, however, let's see, you must not provide driving lessons or motorcycle training in England. However, you can supervise someone from your household or support, but you should stay local. Alright. Teacher, mobile emergency worker, that we already know. So we've only got 2 more weeks, I think. So anyway, since 29th March 2021, you can restart motorcycle CBT, it looks like training, bus and coach driver training. On the same date, the following types of tests may restart, which is bus and coach, tractor. Okay, from the 12th of April, this is again in England, 2021, car driving lessons, car, trailer and driving lessons, large good vehicle, LGV training, and driving instructor training from this important date, 12th of April, 2021. On the same date, the following types of tests will restart: theory tests, motorcycle tests, LGV, driving test, car and trailer driving tests. And then finally on 22nd of April 2021, car driving tests will restart. ADR, these are for driving instructors, tests will restart. As we know, there will be a big queue in terms of booking a driving test, which we'll go through in a bit. Do check out my other videos on how to book a driving test within a week. There are ways in order to find a driving test within a week. Let's just see what they're saying in Scotland. You must not provide driving lessons in mainland Scotland because of the temporary lockdown. Driving lessons and motorcycle training can take place in areas in protection level 3. So check out your area that you're in. If it's in level 3, then you are allowed to take driving lessons. But the dates are slightly different now. From 26th of April 2021, you'll be allowed to do car driving lessons, LGV, trailer, bus, coach. So 26th of April compared to England, which is on the 12th of April. So you're about 14 days away from England, that is, in order to do the driving lessons. On the same date, though, you're allowed to start theory tests. Again, there's similar things: LGV, car and driver driving tests, trailer driving tests. Okay, that's not bad. But then again, 26 car. So it's car and trailer driving tests, not car driving tests. But from the 6th of May, and from the 26th of April 2021 at the earliest, car driving tests will restart. Motorcyclist tests will restart. Approved driving instructor, ADR, that is, test will restart. So we're looking at the 6th of May. It does give you a little small print from the 22nd of April as at the earliest. I'm assuming that may to do with the level 3 protection area that you're in. So maybe if you're in that particular area, maybe you can do your driving test. Okay, it doesn't really clarify, but those in Scotland will know. Comment below if you got tests from the 22nd onwards. Compared to England, though, it looks like you're starting 22nd of April. You're about 2 weeks away from England, it looks like. Let's see what Wales is saying. You must not provide driving lessons or training in Wales. It's in alert level 4. However, you can supervise someone, etc. Okay, 29th of April, you can restart CBT, bus, coach. 12th of April, main thing, this is in Wales. Again, car driving lessons, theory test. So it's similar to England actually. 22nd of April, you can do the car driving test. So you guys are on the same day, the Welsh students that is, as England. So we could check out the Twitter site. You can see here it's pretty much the same info, so there's no need to read everything on Twitter. It's pretty much the same details, even though maybe it's updated. Here we go. So pretty much the same thing. Let me just go back. Let's just see what they're saying. You must not teach anyone who only has a routine driving test booked, even if they are NHS, a social worker, emergency service worker, or local council worker. You must not teach anyone with emergency driving test book. So teach anyone. Okay, what you need for your driving lessons. During the driving lessons with your pupil, you must have a copy of your pupil's emergency test book confirmation. Or these are for emergency key workers. Okay, theory test and driving test. Let's see if there's anything else we need to know. There are separate guidances about the theory, how restrictions are affected. Let me pause. I want to quickly check into it. So I've just gone to the driving test section. Again, pretty much the same thing. So it's just in a table format. So there you have it. There's in case you're confused slightly, there's a quick update in regards to how it's going to be throughout the whole of the UK, England, Scotland and Wales so far. In case you guys are confused, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School, as well as check out our videos on how to pass your driving test, how to prepare after lockdown, and don't forget our site has a lot of information, free resources in order to help you pass your driving test. Thank you for watching again, FM Driving School.